Mushroom forest.
Wow! I never know mushrooms are so big. Tell me about it. Wow, these mushrooms are definitely big. Bigger than me.
It's just like Rusty described. What are you doing?
Getting a better look.
Careful!
Wow.
Hey, look at that one.
Ooh.
Stop.
Whoa, it's glowing.
Stop. I want to get a closer look. Awesome.
Wow.
I'll never believe this back home.
Nope. Whoa! Wow! Well, you just stopped us just in time.
Sorry. Is everyone all right?
Well, let's hope so. Okay, nobody panic. Follow the sound of my nose.
Funny nose. That was.
Major reporting, sir. At ease, Major, and for the record, I'm not a sir. I'm a ma'am. Yes, of course, sir. Ma'am. Sir? Ace, there you are. You okay? Oh. Jillian, is that you?
Oh, pardon me, my caboose is showing.
Lou? Bud?
Whoa, what? Check it out. The world's tipped over. Everything's sideways. Hey, thanks, bro. Head bump.
Where's Hudson? Has anyone seen Hudson? Hudson! Hudson!
You don't have to shout, Beverly. I'm right here.
Oh, Hudson.
Okay, trains and toys talk?
In Dreamland, they do.
Oh! Just like the ones Tilly pulled the birthday train. Oh yeah, I remember. Toys can talk in this world.
Hey, you're the real boy. Well, we heard about you from a couple of trains on their way to dig out the tunnel.
No doubt he's the reason for our sudden derailment.
Derailment?
Oh no! That means the engine has come off the rails.
Your train came off the tracks?
I'm afraid so. The switcher started going crazy and he ran off into the ditch.
Maybe we can help.
Don't worry. We'll pull him out the ditch. So, let's go.
They cut out already. You're rattling my windows.
I can't help it. I'm ticklish.
Sorry, I can't fix it.
This can't be happening. Stranded miles from the real world.
Mission unaccomplished, sir.
Hey, chin up. We're all still here, right?
Well, we'll have to think of something. If we don't make it to the real world soon.
I can take you to Dream Mountain, where the big engines are.
Good idea, Tracy. That might be quicker. That's a brilliant idea, Tracy.
Really? That would be great.
Oh, sure, go ahead. Leave me behind. Everybody else does.
No, we're not gonna leave you behind, Caboose.
You can come too.
Have you popped your rivets? You're too little. You won't last 5 minutes out there with a load to haul.
Well, that's rubbish. Really useful engines have to do jobs big and small.
Hold on, we're on the brink of disaster, not really in the position to quibble.
Are you nuts? You barely made it this far. And now you want to haul all this? What if another express comes by? Not likely.
Well,
We hardly know half the toys, right?
Jam, don't look around.
But we don't even know these toys. I mean, what about that clown? What is she hiding behind her back?
it's only just a rubber chicken.
Now you're being silly again.
Yep, see how Richard.
Well, it just seems kind of risky. Some things are worth the risk. Hey, Richard! How do I look? You look like a train? But I feel different.
Well, being different is make you a really useful engine, right?
I'm hauling toys. Hey, go see if they need anything.
I say there, Richard, could I have a moment of your time?
Well, sure. Anything you need to.
Sure, I'm not going anywhere.
Am I fun? Entertaining? Lovable? What will my child think of me?
Come on, Hudson, don't ask me.
Well, Hudson, I had no idea.
But you're a child, so you must know, and I want to know so badly. Really, I mean, what do you think? Really? Really?
Well, honestly, I think you're kind of annoying.
Oh, you should have said that.
What? Oh, no.
What's going on?
Hudson asked me what I thought of him.
And I am annoying, apparently. Kid's got a point, dude.
Look, you're a stuffed animal. I'm sure your kid will like you.
Well, how can you be so sure? I mean, I am annoying.
Because I had one. Until my dog ripped his head off.
Gnarly.
Oh. That's rough.
It's okay, though. My mom sewed his head back on.
All hail the great mum!
The real world sounds kind of scary. It is. There are bullies who take your stuff and don't give it back. Then you can't go home because you're afraid to tell your dad. And then you end up in dreamland.
You mean we're stranded because you couldn't face some bullies?
So that's why you didn't stand up for yourself? No. Oh, come on, Richard. You should know better about it. All you have to do is stand yourself up and against them.
I better go see what's going on. You okay?
Sorry about the stop, but look, straight ahead.
Look! We're almost there!
Wow. Hey. Woohoo.
All right, Let's roll.
Let's jump to the tunnel. Let's go.
Are we there yet? Guys?